Got a 2022 Honda Ridgeline. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the remote key fob battery.
Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. There's a button right here that we're going to slide to the right, and then we can pull the emergency key out. Turn the remote over with the buttons facing down. We're going to split this remote open. I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver. I'm going to put it in here like this, and I'm just going to give it a kind of like a twist, I guess, and it'll open up the remote. Okay, so it's a twist, like I'm going to pry it open. And once you get it open, here's the battery. You put your thumb on it like this. You don't really want to do it without holding onto it real good, because all this can fall out and the buttons can fall out, and we don't want that happening, especially in the car. Let's get your flathead screwdriver, just pry up on the bottom of the battery like that, and it'll just come out of the holder. Get a new battery and I'll show you what size it is. Okay, so here's our new battery, and the size is going to be a CR2032. Notice how it has the positive sign right there. It's going to be facing out towards us. We're going to stick the top in first. We're going to snap it in like that. Now, if you need a battery, check the description box. I'm going to have the battery size down there. I have a link taken to Amazon if you want to pick up a battery, so check that out. But just get the two halves, put them together, and we just snap them together, and that's it. Just make sure it's all put back together all the way around. Emergency key goes back in. If it clicks and locks in, we're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it. Drop me a like, leave me a comment. Hope to see you again in another video.